Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to sync ClickUp with Google Calendar. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply select your profile in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go through the settings on the pop-up window over here. And now, just simply go ahead and go for the email integration over here on the left side. And after that, just simply go ahead and sign in with your Google account over here. And after that, just simply provide your email and password and log in into your account. And from there, just simply grant an access to ClickUp to Google. And once you have added it, you can just simply go ahead and go for the calendar over here on the left side and just simply select Google Calendar. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and connect it over here. And after that, once you have connected it, you could just simply sync task to calendar over here and click on add over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.